All right, so the weather is turning and it is the time of year where we all start traveling again. And we end up taking a lot of road trips and do a lot of camping as well. So this guy right here is going to help us with that. BougeRV sent us this 12-volt car refrigerator. Now this is a 30-quart refrigerator. Now they do provide the two different cords that you're going to need, whether you are hooking it up to your vehicle or plugging it into an actual outlet. Or if you're taking it out of your vehicle, you can utilize it with a power station. So you have multiple ways of keeping this cool, and boy, does it stay cool. It's made of a very heavy-duty material here, and the bay itself does have a lot of storage, being that it's the 30 quart. Now the eco mode pulls 36 watts, whereas the max mode pulls 45 watts. But it does get it colder much faster. Now on the top here, it does have a display showing you the different modes and how to get to them and how to set them. So very easy, no guesswork here. It's not too big to where you can't just take it and toss it in your vehicle. So super lightweight, even if it's full, it's still light enough for you to move wherever you need to go with it. Now there is one trick that I like to do with this refrigerator, and that is I like to plug it into the house outlet and get it to its coolest temperature before putting it into the vehicle and hooking it up to our car later. Once you end up turning your vehicle on, hold the power button on, then your display will kick on. As you can see, you do have different buttons here. Now this is the button that you're going to press to go from max to eco. And because I did end up plugging this in the house, I really don't need it on max. So if you hit this button here, it's going to toggle you between max and eco. Right now it's on max, and then you hit it again, it drops down to eco, and that's going to pull less wattage. So you have quite a few different modes that you can go through, and then depending on what temperature you want it set to, you would just go up or down with the temperature settings. So very easy to use, and if you do need to charge anything, you do have a USB port here, which will come in handy. So yeah, as you can see, they do have everything that you're going to need. So like I said before, no matter if you have something that just is fresh that you want to keep cool, you can set it for that, or you can go ahead and set it to freeze. As you can see, there is a lock on here, and to unlock that, you would just hold down this button here, and that'll take the lock off. So all in all, if you're like us and you like to travel a lot and you like to eat while you're traveling, this car refrigerator would definitely come in handy for you. I know it comes in handy for us, and it definitely stays cold enough for us as well.